Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're breaking down diagnostic trouble code P161B, what it means, what causes it, and how you can fix it. P161B points to an internal control module battery voltage performance issue. Basically, it means the car's control modules, like the PCM or TCM, detected unstable or low battery voltage. This can affect how different systems talk to each other. It often happens after a dead battery, a weak alternator, or a sudden voltage drop. There are a few main causes behind P161B. It could be a weak or failing battery. Sometimes a bad alternator isn't keeping the system charged properly. Loose, dirty, or corroded battery terminals are another common issue. And in some cases, you might be looking at wiring damage, blown fuses, or even a problem inside the PCM itself. So what signs should you watch for? The check engine light will almost always come on, but you might also get warnings for other systems too. You might notice problems with the electrical system, like flickering lights or a weak radio. The car may crank slowly, stall randomly, or store extra trouble codes related to voltage or communication problems. Start by testing the battery. If it's weak, replace it. Next, check the alternator output to make sure it's charging the system properly, and inspect the drive belt. Clean and tighten the battery cables and ground connections. Finally, after fixing the problem, use a scan tool to clear any stored trouble codes. That's the quick breakdown on code P161B. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any other codes you want me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.